Today I'm going to go and have a bit of a try because I've seen some fish going up the river. Not to say I'm going to get anything, and I want to show you how this works. It's called a lucky fish finder for people on the shore. Works off Wi-Fi. You cast out with a rod, which setting this one up for my lure, and then I'll also be able to cast out and see if there's any fish about first. Okay, so some lures, some of them. Okay, we'll see what happens. They're here, and there's no one up at the top yet. So we're going to give it a try here, because I used to catch lots of fish just here. There's something there just touched the top water just here. Could be a bird, could be a plane, could be Superman. Anyway, let's have a look. Concentrate just on spinning here, and I'll show the fish finder thing a little bit later, just in case I miss out on something good. You never know. Right here, I'm going to use a silver lure, a little silver. Like I said, there was a heap of things come up the other day up the river. Let's start fishing here. That's not what I'm after. The water's clear. We'll see if we can get a strike. I'll check tension. Maybe just a little bit tighter. Yeah, that's not bad. Get it all free. Hopefully it's, oh yeah, covered a bit of distance. As far as I need to go. By the look of it on the bottom, it looks like there's bits of fish on the bottom. So people probably been out here catching fish. If I don't get any chasers, then there may not be nothing around. Geez, this is a good little spinning rod. Didn't think it was that good. There's that little bait fish swim past. Drop my GoPro down there, we'd probably see a lot of things. That's not a 7 gill. It's a tuna. Look at the size of that tuna. Drag him up here a bit. That tuna must have been enormous. What's an enormous tuna? That's a big fella. Now I can't get the lure out of it. Hopefully. Oh, he's coming. Yep. There he goes. That would have been a record breaking tuna. That one. Tuna. Wow. Somebody went out a long way and caught that. Excellent. I wonder what he would have weighed. No tuna swimming around here anyway. I wouldn't expect it. I'm going to show you how this goes now. So, what we do, get this out first, this is our transmitter. And it's got an aerial transmitter. And we got this. Take the take the lure off this now. It's called Lucky Strike. So if anybody wants to buy one of these, if it works alright, because I haven't used it for ages, just look online for Lucky Strike. And I'll hook it into here. Make sure I don't lose it, because I don't want to lose this bit. It's a little rusty, but I'm only going to have to fit in the water. So we need that. We need this. And this is all we need. For that, we need a bucket of little rod in the net. And I probably should move the carp forward just a bit, maybe. So I think I'll do that. I'll just move this over. Sit that there. So I'm going to use a bit of bread, tiny little hook, this thing to serve as anything about. We're going to use this, which all I've got to do is turn it on actually, and stick this in the water like this, and it floats and goes start up. It's got 4 volts left in it, and I've had it for ages, but you know. Right, that's how it works. But at the moment the battery's flat, so it's in simulation mode. And the little thing out there, I've also got one that poke in the water, which I didn't bring out with me, which would have shown everything properly. But they're excellent. It's just that one, it needs a bit of TLC, because the battery's about 4 years old. I reckon that's what's wrong with it. Okay. Always a nice spot to look at, Steve. Looks good. It'd be even better if I would have remembered the bait. Left the bread down the other spot. I can't bother going down and getting it. Starfish pests, these ones. Crown of thorns. So the thorns poking out of them. Crown of thorns starfish. Let's check them out. Look at those little thorns. They actually look like they'd be dangerous if they're stuck in here. Check them out the other way around. Upside down, very carefully. Your mouth in the middle, just there. I don't feel like killing him today. Put him back. There's another one down there, it's probably his friend. They are pests though. Oh, he's back. He's back for today. Oh, and I'll leave that behind, which I probably would. Little scales. Just drag it on the bottom. Could lose it. Won't get flat. Deep out there. What is it? A bit of depth in it. I've been chasing anything. It's not on yet, actually. Not on. If it is on, I don't know. I don't know how to do about it. Not yet. forget me bait and everything, guys. So remember things. And take notice. All my stuff's all stuffed up. I think nobody's left behind.